Welcome English First Language Part 2, Poem 8, Convergence of the Twain, 7th Standard, 2024-2025 Syllabus, Karnataka State Board, Part 1. The Convergence of the Twain. Here, a little bit the old English is used here. Twain means two. The lines on the loss of the Titanic. Thomas Hardy is the poet of this poem. Long ago, there was a terrible accident in Atlantic Ocean. The ship called Titanic sank. Thousands of the people died. There was no electronic signaling system at that time. Thomas Hardy sees the hand of fate in that accident. Read the poem and find out more about the accident. As as the smart ship grew. Here, Thomas Hardy is telling he divided into two parts. One is the ship. It is a man-made ship. Is a smart ship is made by man, and the it collided to the iceberg. Iceberg is naturally it was prepared by the unknown fate or some divine force. It is prepared at the same time. Both are getting prepared. One is prepared by nature, and the other one is manufactured by the human being. In stature, grace, and hue. That ship was graceful. Shadowy, silent distance grew, the iceberg grew. At the same time, when this ship was being manufactured, same time this iceberg was growing naturally there in the sea. Alien they seem to be. This iceberg and the ship, they are totally different. One is man-made, one is naturally prepared by the divine force. These are seem like a alien to them, to the Thomas Hardy. No mortal eye could see. No one can see this. Who could have known that there is an iceberg and this big ship is going to collision with that iceberg? The intimate welding of their later history. They hear iceberg and the uh, ship, the smart ship. They welded together, they collided, or sign that they were bent by the paths coincident. It is one coincident. It is an accidentally they met and the loss happened to the many people, thousands of the people in that ship. On being and on twin hulls of 1 August event. This happened in 1 August. Twins. The ship, another one is iceberg. He's calling them twins. Still the spinner of the years. Still the spinner of the years means it is happened naturally by the nature force. It is a fate. Same time this is being prepared by analyzing this. Thomas Hardy is telling that the ship is manufactured here by the human being. At the same time, the iceberg is being prepared by the nature force. So it is spinner of the years. He is describing like this. Said now, and each one hears. And consummation comes, and the jaws two hemispheres. If consummation means any project is started, the end conclusion of this that completes when it is being utilized. The ship is being manufactured from uh, it might be started 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. It might took to build such a big ship, and it is a grace to the engineer or the manufacturer who manufactured it. But it jars the ego of the human being, nature. You cannot cross the nature force. How much advanced you may be in the technology, but the nature force, whenever it acts, then humans are like this happens when happened in the Titanic accident. The consummation comes and the jars two hemisphere. Two hemisphere here is one is the ship and then one is the iceberg. It jars means what it jars? It jars the ego of the human being. Please like, share, and subscribe and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.